Hi guys, this is a video for installing Windows 10 using a flash drive. So first of all, you put your computer on. Great. So as you can see, showing no bootable device found, or please install an operating system. So what you do is you hit F10 key. That's on HP. I'm sure it will differ from Dell or other systems. So when you hit F10, you take it to the BIOS, then come to system configuration, scroll down to boot options. So because we are installing Windows 10, you have to disable legacy support and enable secure boot. So once legacy support is disabled and secure boot is enabled, you hit F10 to save your settings. Then the system reboots. It should start the OS installation from the flash drive. Okay, so you choose your preferred language, time, format, keyboard, then click next. Click on install. Setup is starting, so wait patiently for it. Okay, so you have to go through all these license terms and conditions. Once you read and understand, you click on accept and you hit the next. Click on custom installation. Now, so since it's a new installation and it's a new hard drive, this is how you're going to say it. So you have to create new partitioning. So you create on new and select or specify your desired space for drive C and that of drive D. So I'm doing, since it's 500 gig, I'll split it 250. So I apply, click on OK. Wait, okay, voila. So the partition is done. So I prefer my drive C to sit on the 217 gigabytes. So I click on next to start the installation process. Finally, around 94%. Okay, so once all the components are installed, the system will reboot by itself. So once the reboot process is done, we will get the welcome page. Okay, so up and running, a new installation is loading. Getting device ready. So in no time, our operating system will be ready.